Hey everyone, this is Niranjan here and I'm super excited to be creating this video for you. You might have not seen me around for a long time. That's because there's a lot that has been going on, been working with the team, setting it up, growing the team, and been traveling to marketing events and stuff like that. So my sincere apologies if I've not been in touch with you, and I'm excited to be back to be creating some review videos and stuff. And what I have for you today is something that is very close to me, because you might have seen me release some social media posts and PLR content with Gene Kalinda, right? Now, Gene has actually partnered with one of the biggest marketers that I actually look up to, Dr. Ben Atkins, and they have created this content pack for chiropractors. Now, chiropractors is a massive niche, all right? They consume content, they spend on advertising, and the visitor value or the customer value for a chiropractor is way too high, as a result of which they are open to investing in your recommendations, in your business, in your service, and stuff like that. Okay, so this product is all about social media content for chiropractors. Okay, now what you're looking at is the front end page, sales page of the offer. All right, so since you already know you already know how the sales page is structured, or the funnel is structured, Jane and Dr. Ben have structured it the same way that I used to do. The only thing is they have not included a lot of source files and stuff like that. Okay, and that's what my bonuses are going to be. So stay tuned to learn more about why my bonuses are going to add a ton of value to your purchase of the chiropractors pack through my link. Okay, so here's what we're talking about. We are actually talking about 60, let me show you. Yeah, we are talking about 60 different social media posts that are available for you to go ahead and use in your services to chiropractors. Okay, so these are the things that have been created by Dr. Ben Atkins' team, and these are already proven to work. Okay, you can get this at a price point of $27 if you get it during the launch time, which is like near about 5.5 hours from now. So that's 60 images for $27, right? So you can see the value. That's less than $3 an image, and it can add a ton of value, and you can reuse it again and again. Now remember, the product that you get as a part of this front end offer is JPG output file. So you're going to get output files only, and that basically means you will not be able to edit any of these templates. They are good to be used as is, but you cannot edit them. That's where my bonuses come into picture. In my bonuses, what I'm going to do is convert all of these 60 images included in the front end offer to PowerPoint format, so that you have the flexibility to go ahead and edit them and change color, change font, change images, do whatever you want to do with them and make them your own, right? That way, whenever you approach multiple chiropractors, you always have a base set of editable files. You can edit them, make them unique, brand them as per your client's requirements, and then use them in their business. Okay, so that's what my bonus is going to be. My bonus for the front end offer is going to be 60 PowerPoint files which recreate these images in the PPT format, so that it's easy for you to edit. Okay, now let's talk about the upgrade 2. Now I'm not on the upgrade to sales page, but I just wanted to give you an idea about upgrade 2 and what it is, right? So upgrade 2 is all about 60 images converted to animations. All right, sorry, it's upgrade 1 we are talking about, because this is the front end offer, right? And my apologies. So upgrade 1 is the 60 image animations. You get MP4 files, which are basically the animated output files. Again, you don't get the source files, right? So that's where I'll be pitching in again, to make sure that I gave you as much flexibility as you need to basically customize them as per your client's requirement, rebrand them, and then be able to sell it, and do all of that without breaking a sweat. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. So for OTO 1, you're going to get 60 output files from Dr. Ben and Gene, and I am going to add 60 PowerPoint animated files to your purchase, so that you will be able to recreate the animations by changing text, changing font, changing colors, changing images, and everything that you can do in order to make them look unique. All right, so you're going to get the source files for animated PowerPoints for those 60 templates. All right, so that's OTO 1. OTO 2 is a set of 120 more images. Now if you look at the business model, it basically thrives on doing monthly social post management. Okay, So what you are getting here is 60. So depend, if you are using one post per day, you are basically this will last for 2 months, right? If you're using two posts per day, this will last for about a month. Now having 120 more is going to give you that much more flexibility. You are basically going to get double the value in terms of the content that you can use for a chiropractor, and that in turn allows you to build them for 2 more months without really having to worry about the kind of content you would like to place, because that's already done for you. Now the challenge is, again, in those 120 graphics that you get in OTO2, they are output files. You cannot edit them, right? That's where again I'll be pitching in with a similar kind of a bonus that I'm giving you on the front end offer. I'll be converting each one of those 120 templates into its PowerPoint file format, and I'll share that with you. Okay, I'm going to give that editable file to you. All right, so that's the bonuses I'm working on for OTO2. Now let's talk about OTO3. In OTO3, what you're going to get is the PSD source files for 180 180 images that you've already got, right? So you've got multiple options, right? You can get those for a price point of 67. You can get 180 PSD files, which is great, right? Now I really wanted to stretch the envelope. Okay, I wanted to give my customers a lot more value than the main product itself, and for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert 60 more templates into animations. These are not included in the product itself, all right? So for OTO3, what I'm going to do is add 60 more animated templates in PowerPoint format, okay? And you will be getting the raw files, you'll be getting the source files, so that you can get them, you can get the content and edit them at will. Right, so those are my bonuses. This is the product, as you know, Gene creates some stunning social media images that work, and Dr. Ben is a seasoned marketer, and he has done some amazing work in the past. I have never interacted with Dr. Ben in person, but I've heard a lot about him, and I've seen some of his products, and I really like what he does with his content and how he treats his customers. Okay, so I'm pretty sure you're going to love the content that is coming your way, and just have a look through the bonuses discussed below on this page to get a better idea of it. And thank you so much for staying in touch, and for spending your time watching this video, watching this bonus page, and picking it up through my link. Thank you so much. Bye.